Hello everyone. I hope everyone is going well. I am so sorry friends. We are having late post. I'm so happy that I have received lots and lots of questions from our viewers. They want to know many things from our doctor, Dr. Samar Halder. Many problems they want to discuss with Dr. Samar Halder. But I have selected very few questions which is very common for our pets. During summer season, we can see various disease in our pets. Our viewers wants to know what is the common disease in dogs during summer season.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am so sorry that due to some unavoidable circumstances, we could not come up with the another episode within very short period. But ultimately, we arranged to come here to give the answers of many of your queries. The most common problem of the summer, is the heat stroke or summer stroke. The heat stroke is a very common problem, not only in the animals but also in the all animal kingdom. What happens in summer season? The environmental temperature goes up, and if all the pet parents, they used to go with their pet in the walking uneasiness due to the scorching heat. So that is the main reason for the heat stroke. Not only that, many of the owners or the so-called trainers, they will come up with their pet and will do lot of exercise in that hot time, and that is the main reason.
Sir, Mr. Ishan from Delhi, he is a new pet parent, and also he wants to know that what is the sign in dog of heat stroke. What treatment he can start at home if his dog comes under heat stroke.
Common problem of heat stroke, which anybody can see and tell. First symptoms will be the excessive panting. Dog will do the panting excessively, and along with the panting there will be a lot of drooling, and dog will be in the state of confusion. There will be redness of the eye. You have to, by seeing all those primary symptoms, if you can understand, immediately they should, along with the dog, they should come in this shade area, cool area. The temperature will fall down.
Mr. Puneet from Banaras, he wants to know that how to clean our dog's paws.
Ma'am, cleaning of paws is a very good practice in our day-to-day activities. Particularly the dogs, those are going in outdoor activities in the morning or evening, whenever it is, after coming from the outdoor, after reaching in the indoor, in between there should be a foot bath system. That is very good and very scientific also. Foot bath having the potassium permanganate foot bath. That is, you take sufficient water, and along with that you just give some of the potassium permanganate salt, which is very well available in all the pharmacist medical shop. You take it and just put it inside that water, and the color of the water will be like violet, potassium permanganate color will come, and just you put all the limbs for at least 2 to 3 minutes there, and clean. After that you clean that whole paw very nicely with a separate towel. Then several pet wipes are there. You can use those wipes afterward also. So those, to get rid of those problems, after cleaning of the paws, immediately you have to dry these paws very nicely. That is one thing. After cleaning, now different type of paw balms are available, paw butters and different type of thing. If that is available with you, you can use that.
Thank you, sir, for explaining in such beautiful way how to clean dog's paws. Another question from Bihar, Manisha and Amit Sharma. They wants to know from sir, whenever they go out, they keep their puppy at home. Like his puppy is 10 months. But after coming from outing or returning back home, always they find their puppy vomit. What is the reason, sir? Please tell me.
We have to know that, we have to be very clear that vomison is not any disease. Vomison is a symptoms or is the sequel of any of the disease. Some disease that must be there inside the body, which is creating the nausea and ultimate vomition. So definitely you have to treat the vomition. We have to give some of the medicine to stop the vomition. Otherwise there will be dehydration and all, fluid therapy and many things will be required, and some other problem will come. Fluid electrolyte imbalance and other things will come. We have to do some of these examination, some special blood tests is required or something, some other diagnostic aids are required. Then we have to go for some of the diagnostic tests or procedures to know why the dog or your pet has vomited. That you have to know. After knowing that, if you can come to the conclusion or diagnosis what is the reason for vomition, and if you stop, if you treat those etiology and correct those things, then your vomition will be permanently stopped.
Thank you, sir, for answering questions of Manisha and Amit Sharma from Bihar. Now, another one is from Bangalore, Mr. Anuj and Akansha. They want to know that their dog is having regular attack of seizures. Is it curable or communicable disease?
Ma'am, seizures, what you are telling, seizures or convulsions are again the same thing I am repeating. That this is one of these sequel of any disease. That means some disease are there, for that seizures or convulsion is coming. As per the age, that what is the cause, we have to find out and we have to treat. Or if we can diagnose what is the cause of these seizures. Like for example, in the small puppy, worm toxemia is there, then seizures sometimes happen. In middle age, if there is any some tumors in the some of the brains or some of the positions which can create the convulsion or seizure. In latter stage, though now I am telling it is not a latter stage. Now due to the hemoprotozoan infestation, it's like a pandemic.
But they want to know is this disease communicable disease?
No, this is not such communicable disease.
Another new pet lover, Mr. Tanishq from Bangalore. He is having 12 months pug and he wants to know, can he give roti and ghee or sweets to pug?
Ma'am, this is the common question of many pet owners, not the pug. For any puppy or dog, they used to ask this type of things, whether we can give sweet,
Yes.
ghee or roti, chapati like this. Now thing is that not everything they can take. Matter is that sweet, if you give less sweet, the body weight will not increase or the problem of the worms will not come so frequently. So sweet is definitely a good thing to require for all the animal kingdoms. Or regarding the ghee is not advisable for the pet. And regarding roti, if anybody is having the allergy on the wheat, then it is better to avoid. Nowadays we are seeing that many of the pets is having allergies in wheats, meat or like milk, like those things.
One very common question in our mail I have seen that many viewers wants to know what is Parvo virus. What are the signs of Parvo virus in our dogs? Is it curable, sir? Please help me.
Parvo virus is a very common problem. Parvo virus infection is as it is a viral disease. I am telling you, I told you in earlier episode also, when vaccine is available. So it is always advisable to, whatever the vaccines are available in the market, you go for the vaccination of the pets in proper age after doing the deworming. Parvovirus problems, if you see the symptoms will be diarrhea, like gastrointestinal diseases, with blood will come, and those smell will be very, very obnoxious. If it is there, treatments are there. Now standard treatment protocols are there. Fluid therapy, antibiotic, some immune modulator, some drugs are also available. One company, Ponobitis, they are importing one of the drug like Canglo P. Those drug is very well effective, and if after early diagnosis, if you can give this drug for 10 days, 7 to 10 days to the animal will recover. But this is very, very contagious disease. From one animal to other animal, it will.
We are having very short time, but many questions are left over. So one of the most common, I think it's very important we should know from doctor that What is canine distemper, sir, in our dogs? Is it life threatener in dogs or is it curable in our pets? Please help.
This is the problem of the dogs which are not vaccinated. Vaccines are very well available throughout the India, and if we give the vaccination in proper time after deworming, this type of disease we can avoid this type of problem in our pets. And the common problem of the canine distemper, common symptoms rather we can tell in the dogs are there will be a high rise of temperature. Temperature will be very high, and this is mostly biphagic. So once the temperature will come, it will subside slowly. Then later also after few days again temperature will come, will raise. So this biphagic in two phase the temperature will raise. That is first one, and then some other symptoms like you will see some secretions from the eye, nose, all those secretions are there. This virus will damage the nerves. Animal will not be able to walk properly. There will be incoherence, and by seeing the distance from distance also you can understand the twitching of the muscles as well as the incoordination of the movement. Very well we can prevent it by giving the vaccinations in yearly vaccination as well as in the early stage vaccination in the early age of the life.
Thank you so much, sir. Today you have helped our viewers by giving your good knowledge, which was very helpful for our pet lovers. But there are many questions are left over. I think we'll discuss in the next episode. We are very sorry, friends, but one request is there. Who is first time watching our channels, please subscribe our channel and like our channel Care and Hope. Also can give comments and ask their questions regarding pets with our Dr. Samar Halder, who is having practice for the last 30 years. Sir is always there to help you all. Thank you so much, viewers. Thank you so much, sir.
Namaskar.
Namaste, sir.